Gemini. Welcome to 2021 horoscope. I'm gathered a lot of matters about you for you only. I've met a lot of astrologers. I've met a lot of good astrologers in various places. I just went to Tamil Nadu and Kerala. A few other persons I met in hill places. Some doing the jobs like that. People gather a lot of matter. And coming to my knowledge, collected no matters. Right now I'm going to say and see why I'm doing like this. Because I love to astrology. See, coming to the Mrugasara third pada, it's my third charan in Gemini. See, don't go for above the strength. Do anything works in 2021 below only. Coming to the father's base, father's relative, father base, and you are going to face some little type of disturbances there. But coming to the politicians, about the persons who are in the profession like the politicians, they're going to listen good newses, and along with they're going to see, yeah, they have the good signs. And coming to Murugasa third pada is, they are going to be honesty. They're going to be, they feel like their honesty, they want to stay like honesty. And coming to your profit base and complete assets base, whatever you want to do it, do very fastly, because of what will be happen next we don't know. But coming to the assets base, you have to be careful. You have to be rushed very fastly. Coming to the Sri Murugasa third padas, females, you are going to this year Gemini, you're going to face some stomach based problems. Especially uh, the problems like that, pregnancy based, so have to be careful. And the third pada, third pada, this is about you. And do spray sun god is best. And coming to the fourth pada, uh, high third pada, fourth pada. See, about your children base, you are going to see good news, good situations. They are going to get a good jobs, or if they are children, you are going to see they are going to development in their educations. Coming to your profession and jobs, it's like a normal, not like going to be high, but if you do hard work, you are going to achieve something. But coming to here, some little bit of problem. Don't invest and more for this 2021. It's a balance need. You need a balance. Coming to the profits and or money, it's a problem with that Mrugasara fourth pada. You are going to do expenditure more. You are earning. Yes, it's going to happen. Because of that, maybe any marriages in the house, any celebration, birthdays, more and more. Either go for any profession based or job based, how to do expenditure. The expenditure, like whatever getting the money, so you are going expenditure is going to be very high. So, and don't quarrel with your partners. Have to be uh, like this only. You need that. Coming to the court basis, any cases is there, you are going to get a victory for this year. This is a good news for you. And contractors, coming to the contractors, normal, just a normal. But unexpectedly, you are going to do a small situation like that's going to some people going to show a finger, but have to be careful those. But you are going to get down your head. And coming to that, slowly months goes by, your money is going to be rise up like this. So Gemini, this is about for Murugasa third pada and fourth pada, and subscribe me for your friends and family members. I'm going to meet you, and next video will be Ardra first channel, second channel, third channel, fourth channel will be there, and for your friends later Puno was also there. Gemini, bye. 2021 horoscope.